Now let's work on the problems. So as you remember, in the printout, in the laminated sheet, you have 3 types of problems, depending upon what they give you. So the first thing you're going to look at, what do they give me? This is my change in y, and that is my change in x. Change in y is 321 meters, and change in x is 45 meters. I need Vx. Change in y is 1/2 g t squared, and then from there I can say that t can be found as 321 divided by 4.9. That's 8.1 seconds, 8.09. So I'm just going to round it to 8.1 seconds. And then Vx is going to be 45 divided by 8.1 seconds. That's 5.6 meters per second. That's the answer to the speed at which the rock was. In the second example, we have, this is the horizontal distance, so I know my change in x is 19.6, and I know this is the initial velocity, and it's strictly horizontal because that's what we're talking about, horizontally launched projectiles. 28 meters per second. I need to find change in y. Change in y has the formula, so horizontally launched projectile, that looks like that. So I just need to find time. How am I going to find time? I know that Vx equals change in x over change in t. I swap these two and then get me change in t is change in x over Vx. And then I will square that and multiply that by 4.9. So my change in y is 4.9. 19.6 over 28 squared. I got 2.4 meters, and the time, 19.6 over 28, was actually 0.7 seconds. That's how you solve if you're given change in x and Vx. That's how you find change in y. And finally, the last problem. You're asked to find time again and the horizontal distance. You are given change in y, which is the height from which the package was dropped, 200 meters. You know that your Vx is 30 meters per second, and we need to find change in t and change in x. Again, change in t we've found so many times is going to be 200 divided by 4.9 square rooted. I got 6.4 seconds, and then change in x is going to be Vx times time. What is it? 200 and something. 30 times 6.4, 192 meters. Voila! Boom, 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 and ba-boom, ba-boom. On the quiz, there's a bonus question where you asked to pick one problem and find V final with which the projectile hits the ground. For that, you can rewatch the video for the marker lab. Keep studying. I'll see you in class.